So we're going on a high school reunion type rally today. Our boy Michael pretty much set up like a little get together with a bunch of guys from high school that are kind of into cars. So we're gonna go see what the turnout's like. Shouldn't be too big. I believe it's just a couple people. At least that's all I can see on like the Instagram group chat that was created. We'll be taking the F87 M2 out today. This is the OG model, spec'd out with the mineral gray, as you can see. So the car's due for a nice wash. It's been a little while. So guys, just to get a sense of how dirty this car really is, you can actually see so much dust in the back. This thing's dirty, man. Let's see what we can do. So we just finished up cleaning the car. It's looking a lot better than before, man. Look at that, spotless. All right, let's get going, boys. So we pulled out to our high school parking lot. We got a smaller turnout than we were expecting. It was coordinating the whole event. Had a group, I don't even know how many people, maybe like 20, no, not 20, maybe like 15, 14 car people from back when we were in high school. Everybody tallied, they're like, oh yeah, we want to be in this. And then, yeah, everyone just kind of dropped like flies, man. So we got 5 cars, F82, got my F87, Michael's, I think it's what, MK9 Golf V6 Accord, and then we got a 435i. So we're gonna do a drive, probably head out to the Caledon area. I guess just, yeah, see what's around, enjoy the weather. So everybody just stopped by right now to get some gas. It's the Beamer boys right here. 435 M4 M2. Circus act? Oh, put that on my car roof. What's good? How you doing, bro?
How are you? The slowest one here. Now come.
You spilled something? Yeah. Oh, fuck. Oh, man. Gotta re-navigate, man. So we're gonna take a little bit of a break just to figure out where we're going next, and then I'll keep you guys posted again afterwards. So yeah, let's see. That's a nice FD, man. So I think that's it for the day. We're gonna wrap up just because a couple guys got to go back home, so we're gonna be calling it
Rush hour.
That's crazy.